Good afternoon, just Cam. I have to actually lose some money on this account. Good afternoon, just Cam. Hold on, I just passed this account. I gotta lose money. I am over consistency at the moment, 121. Okay. Hold on, I'm actually also playing a game of TF2 right now, so. Bro, I was playing a game of Teamfight Tactics, and the market just suddenly started to drop. Okay, I gotta lose money on this account. That should be good, right? Alright, that should be good. Okay. You lost your live key. Oh, dude. I'm sorry about that, man. That was actually super unfortunate. Yeah. Especially with the slippage, too, on a move like this. It's actually better. Trade props. You're trying to keep consistency. Alright, this account's back down. Dude, that's absolutely crazy, bro. Like, I don't even know what to say, to be honest. Like, dude, this was like, bro, what was this move? It's like more move than we had like all of New York. Dude, this gotta be like insider trading or something. Like something had to happen, like over in Iran. Somebody knows about it. Somebody knows more than we do, for sure. Why did we dump so much? That's a really good question. I can tell you the technicals on why we dumped so much, but honestly, the fundamentals, I have no idea. Like, all I can really assume is that somebody has more knowledge than we do, and they're just acting on it. There, guys. I am. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm playing a game of TFD right now, so. Give me a moment, please. Sorry guys, I'm like trying to do like 9 things at the same time. Give me a second. My wife has some people coming over too. Oh my god. My brain is like everywhere. I caught a portion of this dump on my apexes, and then I caught some on these evals as well. I was copy trading my 10 apex PAs. ES is bouncing off of 157. That's the level that we were trading trading during New York. So ES just tapping into 157 again. I'm trying to win my TFT game. My bad, guys. Give me a second. Let me some music. So usually we go with some lo-fi, but I might go house today. My game's over. Alrighty. Let's do this now. Wait, what's wrong with my screen? Second place, let's go. Bro, what the heck kind of music is this? Let's plan happy birthday. Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to set up my copy trader here. I'm gonna lock out my apexes. And then let's see what we got. You guys just sandwiched in between a couple levels right now? Between 157 and 150. So 2 levels. We saw a lot of chop here during New York session, so yeah, honestly, if we can just catch one small move here, I'll be pretty happy. Let's see if we can catch a little scalp. Yeah, I mean, you can try to fade POC back down to value. I do like shorts. How wide is this? 16 points. Alright, let's see if we can catch something in the residual of this dump and pump. Bro, there we go. So we've already tested this. It's not even a broken base. What an exciting time to be alive, guys. Any moves yet? I'm trying to go for a sell. Yeah, I like sells here more than I like buys for sure. I definitely like sells more. This is gonna be one heck of a squeeze if you get squeezed here though. So I think you just gotta be a little careful. I think realistic, I want to see us test this base again, or possibly even this key level. Yeah, I definitely like sells. I just wish we had a clearer entry here.
Dude, what is actually going on with the market?
There we go. Getting a little sell. Kind of what I want to see is like this come down and do something like that, right? Maybe even just kind of chill around here. And honestly, if we can kind of like have price weaken and then drop, that would be ideal. This house playlist is not bad. Let's check that happy birthday song. How do I get rid of the happy birthday song? I can't. That feels bad. That's 20 points. 30 points. I do like the idea of playing the breakout of this value down in range. We definitely have volume to break out, so do not mind that idea. I don't know if I want to trade minis actually on these fresh fundeds. So we're just going from value to value of the upper range. I want us to come back down into this range. So you can almost draw like a resistance zone here. This is kind of where you want to be watching, right? Kind of like the price where these candles are wicking in between. That's what you want to break. Lose value, we lose this range. Flush through the bottom of that range down to VWAP. And then the reason I like this is because if we flip VWAP, we have a lot of potential downwards. So you could try to fade the extremes here. But I'm not really a trader that likes to fade this. Like I want to trade the breakout, so I wait till this. I try to get in and eat the meat of the move here. Happy birthday. I mean, like, if you faded that right there, still like 10 points you could try for. I like this on the 5. We're getting much rejection, right? Like all these wicks. Exactly what we want to see. But I want to see this break. Why is it on? I like these wicks we're getting here too. I want to see this come up, retest this. Like, see, I don't know if you guys seen price action that looks like this. It's like very coiled. You get like a lot of capitulation off that, and that's kind of what I want to see here. A lot of times when you get huge moves like this, and you want to see continuation down, this is what you usually get. You know, just sellers and buyers, like, honestly fighting, but sellers are slowly gaining the advantage, right? Like, sellers are slowly gaining the advantage, bring the price down lower, further and further. Do I trade at this time? I usually don't trade at this time, but dude, I could not help myself from trading that move. We are up 15k across our Apex PAs, so honestly, like with the amount of the weakness we saw there, dude, I don't even know what I caught. I just caught like a little bit of this middle part. I will say alternatively, if we break above this base, like pretty convincingly, I'd be willing to take that too. But man, I don't know, prices already moved so much. I don't know if we'll get the moves that we want. Alright, that wick, that wick on the ROV is kind of scary though. Insane. How many points was this? This looks like it's like 200 points. 230 points? That's insane, man. Straight down, straight up. Could be it. That was the hourly close. The hourly close with a 211 point wick. Shorts to what level? Dude, if I think if this one's short, I mean we'd be taking this low for sure. I'd probably take my first TP at like 980, 977, 980. If we can get into a short. Yeah, but honestly, the more I look, like the more price is developing. NQ looks more long than ES does. Yeah, it's not really giving us an opportunity. Right, nothing with like a clear edge, so I don't know. Bro, not this happy birthday. May go back to up to high day. I don't know. I'm more inclined to think that this weekends and then we drop. But I don't want to get short up here because if this goes up, like if this squeezes, this is gonna be one heck of a squeeze. I think this squeeze would take us above. Yeah, I mean, I guess to your point, if this squeezes, this would go probably take high day. Like at least, yeah, like 27.1. See that for sure. We're in a spot where like it's chop, right? So the market moves in like literally only three ways. The market only moves in an uptrend, downtrend, or in consolidation, right? And we're obviously in consolidation. And if the market moves like this, you know, whichever way, I personally don't like to try to catch the bottom for the top or for the move up. I like to catch the breakout, right? And get out somewhere in the consolidation because you know you honestly don't know when it's going to start consolidating. So if that's the case, like we have our consolidation here, right? I'm waiting for this to break out one way or another, and I want to catch the meat in the middle. But you know, other people have edges where, you know, they see consolidation, they know that it's, or they have their edge that it's gonna drop down, and they want to catch the other side instead of catching the breakout. I personally just don't like to do that. I like to trade the breakout, so. Yeah, we're definitely in consolidation now. So, you know, if you want to take the risk to like, to fade the extremes of value here, you know, like this, these are plays that you could easily take. These aren't plays that I like to take. Right? And then, you know, if you get a move down here, you can take the opposite side. You can just hold your position on whichever way you think, you know, whichever way your directional bias is. I am short biased, but honestly that the hourly wick is giving me some trouble, but I don't think that means that we can't retrace it. Especially a move like this, I think these get retraced, right? Whereas, you know, if you get a wick down, you get a move up, you know, it's very possible to like retrace that. But whereas, you know, if you have price, you get 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, and then you start getting like, you know, price moving up, that's a different story. Like that's like likely not going to get reversed on. So. But yeah, honestly guys, just being able to identify which market regime you're trading is probably save you. Like if you're trying to catch the long right now, but you're just trading chop, right? You'll get literally chopped up, like no pun intended. But if this starts breaking out one way or another, I want to be in on the move. Yeah, price is definitely weakening. This is good. Let's see, it'll start to break value low. One second, guys, I'll be right back. Alrighty. We're kind of getting there. Damn, I was way slow on the trigger. But we're clearing this level. I want to see if we can get down to VWAP. A little buy pressure on the previous range value, but there shouldn't be much volume here. We should kind of just strike straight through this. God, I can't talk. Dang, do you find it as support? I still like it. This next few candles have to close bearish. 2.5 minutes on the 5. Come on, let's get a good push down here. Nice. I'm gonna bring my stop down to that. I don't want to risk more than this. Come on. Once we get some closes in here, we should have a good flush. Come on. There she goes. This should flush. Alright, well, it should be really weak, but it's not showing that weakness. I'm looking to move down my stop to possibly break even here and just getting out of this if it stops me out. Alright, I just let it stop me out. I'm not risking it. Because I think this can still go down, but I think the chance of this is here now. Right? And I was hoping that this would just flush. And if it's not flushing, I don't want to be in the trade. I think this is still down. But if I want to get into the short, I want a better entry. Yeah, the 15 closed bearish, 5 closed bearish, 1 closed bearish, everything closed bearish. So I'm still pretty bearish on this. That's just not the entry I wanted, unless it was flushing. It might flush without me, but I'm okay being out of the trade. If you guys are still in this trade, then I think VWAP is definitely my TP1. This would have stopped me out too. Nice, nice. Did any of you guys catch the move? Or get any of you guys in? I didn't like my entry, so I had to get out of there. Kind of wish we got this dump on top of this value, but like this is a 30-second candle. It didn't give us any time. It was a 15-second candle. Look at that. Dang, this looks ready for another leg down. Dang, I kind of wish I was streaming this whole move. Like, I wasn't planning to trade or stream, so man, that would have been fun to do on stream. So we just dropped into the lower ranges value. I do want to see this come and test like the ranges POC, right? Which is like in line with VWAP now, so it's like extra confirmation for this to test here. I don't have anything. marked out on my trade C. There she goes. I'm gonna take this sell. Bro, I'm always so late. I'm going for a quick scalp. Let's see if we can eat this. Maybe it's the fill. Maybe because I'm trying to mark it in. It's just filling me really bad. It doesn't look too liquid right now, so. I don't have my order book open. I guess I have my DOM open, but. Ooh, I might get stopped out of this. And stopped. That's unfortunate. I will take it though. Dude, my fill was so bad. I still think this is down. If this wants to like pop up, like 150 on ES, like 35. Where's 35? Oh yeah, 35 is like in this zone. It's definitely possible for this to come back up and test this. I think we're still down though. Excuse me. Well, maybe that's it. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna try again on the short. But I'm still short biased. My luck trading Asia is never good, so. There it is, 150 on ES testing, and then 35 on NQ testing. Sellers gotta hold this. If sellers don't hold this, then it's probably no longer short biased. I would say this is pretty critical here. So if we lose this, we're gonna flush the other side of value, and then we're gonna test the other side, right? Oh, there she goes. That's how you read the market, guys. Congrats if you caught that. Dang, I should have been on micros. Had my stop a little wider. Alrighty, maybe I just hop off now. I don't think I'm gonna take any more setups. That was kind of the one that I was wanting. With the price action there was, yeah, there was our trade. No, dude, that's so sad. Moved my stop down too much. Alrighty. It is what it is. Alright, I'm hard to get ready for bed, honestly. It's like, it's getting kind of late over here. I guess it's not too late, but late enough for me to go to bed. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna probably hop off. I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace.